I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Poopoose changing table. So kind of a funny name for a product, but appropriate too. And basically this is a baby changer. You can see in here we've got the actual changing pad itself is kind of like a plastic coated material, so it's pretty easy to clean. And it's got this cover. You can get these different fabric covers that just slip over it. I've used it without. It's just more attractive looking and probably easier to clean if you put a cover on top of it. And it's pretty lightweight, pretty solid. I wouldn't change a baby up on this ledge. Obviously, I'd put this on a couch or on another surface. I think the signature feature of this, though, is it has these straps that are nice and soft and comfortable. It's got a big kind of Velcro piece here. And so when your kid reaches a certain age where it's hard to safely change them on the pad because they're rolling, you can put them down here and just loosely basically connect this across their belly, and it holds them in place so that they don't roll off of the pad as you're changing them. And it's actually, works a lot like a changing station that you might see out at a restaurant mounted on the wall in the bathroom, where they have kind of like straps that hold the baby in place. This is something you can use at home, and I think because this is loose, because it's kind of thick, it's almost like a belt. It's actually much more comfortable for them than those kind of thin straps at a restaurant changing table. Very, plush and comfortable in terms of the actual unit here. And then there's these special holes in the cover so that the straps can still come out even with the cover on. So I think this makes a great changing station. Works really well. And you can use it again, all the way from birth. You probably don't need to strap them in at that point, up to over a year old. If you're still using diapers, lay them down on here, strap them in for a little bit extra safety, and you're good to go. That's the Poopoose changing station.